Hi guys, welcome to our channel Umsi Tech for you. This video we see the controlling of home appliances using the Google Assistant and the mobile application blynkapp. This is in the screen shows the different sensors like the temperature, humidity, Wi-Fi module and different operators to do this project. First one, using the mobile application blynkapp controlling bulb with relay. Testing, see guys, on and off. This is the Wi-Fi module programming dumped. This is the Python programming and this is the relay used to done this project. The bulb to testing. This is the Python programming which is used for this program. And the second one is using the Google Assistant controlling home appliances like bulb, fan, TV and different applications. See guys, they have testing. And
turn on the bulb. Turn off the bulb.
Third one, using the Google Assistant controlling LED with Wi-Fi module.
Turn off the bulb.
Let's see here, this testing is.
Bulb is off.
Turn on the LED and off
Turn on the bulb.
Using the Wi-Fi module.
Light is on.
In the Wi-Fi module, the program is dumped is Python programming.
Turn off the bulb.
Bulb is off.
Okay guys, the testing is done for this project done, and this is the Python program we have used for this. Fourth one, using the Google Assistant controlling home appliances with relay and Wi-Fi module.
Turn on
So
the
guys,
bulb.
this is the relay. So different appliances are used. Means different appliances are controlled, like TV, fan,
Turn off the
bulbs,
bulb.
tube lights. So guys, testing is done. See the bulb turn off and turn on. The bulb and relay. This is 4 relay, so it's the 4 appliances are controlled. This is the Wi-Fi module with program dumped with Python programming, and this is the program for this project. The different program is changed for different projects. So guys, the next video is the test case to the controlling bulb using Google Assistant. For using the relay also using Google Assistant. The next video is using the blynkapp controlling LED. This is the program used for this LED. Before we use Google Assistant for controlling LED, in this blynkapp is used. So guys, see the testing on off. This is the mobile application blynkapp at a Play Store also available. Give a link at below description. And the sixth one is the test case for controlling LED with blynkapp. Blynkapp is controlled with, see guys, the Python program. If we are interested in Python programming, we learn some basic things. We give the document link at below description. So guys, who are interested learn the Python to do this like projects, go through the description. And this is the robotic, so controlled by this group. These applications are like the Google Assistants, the CYBIRA. This is my workshop experience. This is shared with you. This name is robot name is the CYBIRA. This guys is do for the security purpose to go front and saluting the polices. So guys, like this videos, please subscribe, like, Please support us friends. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and share to our friends. Thank you.